This spacious home boasts 1,860 square feet with a unique floor plan, featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The brand new roof ensures peace of mind for years to come. Inside, you'll find built-in shelves throughout and 10 feet high ceilings, adding to the sense of space and functionality. The large kitchen with a breakfast bar and plenty of cabinets is perfect for entertaining, while the separate dining room, living room, and family room offer versatile living options. The seller has removed the flooring, providing a blank canvas for you to install your dream flooring. Rest assured, there was no flooding from Hurricane Ian or any other occasion. Outside, enjoy the privacy hedges surrounding the walkway and multiple empty lots behind the backyard. Located just minutes from the Seven Islands project, this home is also in close proximity to amazing schools and offers easy access to downtown Cape Coral, Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel, St. James City, Bokeelia, Punta Gorda, and downtown Fort Myers.